What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to be making a quickie. This is a radar detector harness for your 5th gen Camaro. And the lights are not on. Turn that on. I did have the doors open for a while, but I just got done installing this rear view mirror camera. What I'm going to do is, first I'm going to open up the pack. So here's the harness unraveled. So what you do is, I think you'll plug this in. No. Plug this in into the camera, and then plug this in into the wire harness you disconnected from. And then this part will go right towards your radar detector. I don't have a radar detector on me right now, but when I get one, I already have one ready. And I'll make a video on that too. First thing you want to do is, you want to go behind here. There's a little tab up there that you want to pull out. And they'll disconnect this right there. Then you take this, see if I can sit my camera down, which I cannot sit it down on the dash because it's too tall with all this mods on my GoPro. So you actually take the female end and hook it up to that right there. So let me do that right quick and show y'all. You can only go in one way. It's dummy proof. I don't know if y'all heard that snap, but it snapped in place. I did have to pull them wires out a bit so it can reach the back of this camera. But since the Gen 5 DIY harness, since I got that radar detector cable on, it's a lot more lengthy. So what I can do is I can push the wires back into the headliner and I can clean this up real good. So I don't have to have them wires all out. All you do is just push it back in the headliner.
Now with this part, I don't really know what happened with my audio, but what I was doing in this section was I was loosening up the screws that bolts the sun visor to the headliner, just to loosen it up enough to just drop the headliner a little bit to fit the new connection through.
So I decided to take this centerpiece off and I pulled some of the wires back in, which was easier than pushing. So where that new connection is, I want to route it back behind where the headliner is. I am doing this at night where mosquitoes want my head. There it goes. And for the connection to fit through, let's see if I can pull the headliner down a little bit. So I did manage to get it in there. Don't worry about this wire. This is from the rearview mirror camera. I don't know why. I really don't know why they had it like that. I really don't know what they thought this was going to connect to, because I really don't have no connections for it. Yeah, and here's the radar detector lead right here. So you just plug it in on the side right there, and then you can just tuck up the excess into the headliner, which I'm going to tuck mine up in the headliner right now because I don't have a radar detector at the moment. So I'm going to just hide it in the headliner until I get it. Then I'm going to just untuck it. Put this back. All this does is go right back into the clips it came out of. If something don't go back, don't force it. You're probably stuck on something that shouldn't be there. This is what it looks like after the install. I gotta screw that back in, but don't mind that one. But I got the main console back in. There go the wires from my radar detector that I'm not gonna use right now. And this is the new connector. It's pushed back in further than what it was. And well, that's it, guys. That's all to it. Just install that wire harness. Thank you for watching.